Hi, it's Michelle from 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop, and I'm here today to introduce you to our latest subscription kit. This is called In the Garden, and it's all kinds of springy colors with pinks and reds and yellows and greens. We've got some wood grain in there. It's a beautiful kit. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what's included this month. Every kit starts with a unique Encore color palette, and this month we have Encore Flamingo, Encore Peachy Keen, Encore Red Currant, Honey Bear, and Thyme. So that is our color palette, and everything else is based around that. So for specialty papers, we have Glitter Luxe, Copper Fusion. We have a couple of foils. We have a Encore mirror foil in English Rose, and then we have matte rose, so two different shades of kind of that rose gold. Then we have Encore Wow. This is our fine glitter papers. So it has kind of a sandpaper texture and it's no shed. It cuts absolutely great. The color on this one is Dusty Rose. Then we have Encore Glitter Luxe in Ballerina, and this is kind of white with pink flecks, and this cuts great as well. We have a piece of Encore Raspberry Vellum. We have a pearlescent, this is a textured pearlescent cardstock. This is my color's Glimmer, and the color is Exotic Red, and it's got that cool mica sheen. Then we have an Echo Park cream gingham, and it's gingham on one side, or I don't know, I guess that would be a plaid texture on the other. Then we have a sheet of Cerio Pearl. This is oyster shell. Again, it's a pearlescent kind of cream color, and this is 111 pound weight, so it's a heavier pearlescent smooth cardstock. Then we have a sheet of Echo Park. This is a wood grain. It's really gorgeous and just adds something really special to this kit. Then we have Rainbow Holographic. This starts out silver and then catches the light in all kinds of cool colors. And we have a sheet of Encore Pale Green Holographic. So this is a green, but then again, it catches the light with all those cool colors. So that is everything that's included in the kit this month. And then of course, every kit includes mystery items. This month you'll be getting 4 mystery items, one of which is not paper. I'll drop that little hint. So it's kind of an embellishment that we thought would go well with this kit. So you can look forward to that. We don't reveal what the mystery items are until they show up at your doorstep. Your subscription also includes a free class, and this month we'll be making these pretty spring pop-up flower cards. First one has a giant exploding flower inside. The second card opens up to an exploding flower garden. And finally, we have a flower pot with exploding flowers. So there you have it. There's everything included in this month's kit. This is Lynette's Happy Mail box, and you can get it for as low as $29.95 with free shipping, depending on which subscription length you choose. And again, there's 4 mystery items that come with it. And this is available now at 12 by 12 Cardstock Shop.